What is charge and current? The best way to try and explain charge is the ability of something to carry energy. When we are talking about something, we are talking about very small particles. The smallest particle we know is called an electron. Electrons are negatively charged with the charge of -1. They can carry energy and they can't be destroyed. Because electrons are so small, we can't talk about single electrons, so we talk about bags of electrons. We call these bags of electrons coulombs. For example, you don't buy grains of sugar, you buy bags of sugar. If you want to move an electron, you can place something with a negative charge beside it. Knowing your knowledge of electrons, what do you think will happen? Will it move towards the negative charge, or would it move away from the negative charge? Because negative objects repel each other and the electron is negative, it will move away from the negative charge. You may notice that if you have a negative charge at one end, you will, by default, have a positive charge at the other end. This causes the electrons to move from one end to the other. This is what we call current. An electrical current is a flow of charge. There are two types of currents. Electron current, where particles flow from negative to positive, and conventional current, which flows from positive to negative. We know that conventional current doesn't actually happen. We used to think something flowed from the positive end to the negative end. However, this was before we discovered electrons. When we discovered, in fact, that nothing goes from positive to negative, it would have been too difficult to rewrite all the books. So we kept the idea that current flows from positive to negative. Current is measured in amps. The number of amps flowing in a circuit is the number of coulombs that pass a point in each second. So 2 amps would equal 2 coulombs passing a point every second. So using your knowledge of current, what is the current in a circuit where 12 coulombs pass a point in 2 seconds? Pause the video and press play once you have worked it out. The current is 6 amps because 12 coulombs pass a point in 2 seconds. Therefore 6 coulombs pass a point every second. This means the current is 6 amps. This is summed up in a formula. Charge equals current times time. Charge is measured in coulombs. Current is measured in amps. Time is measured in seconds. The symbol for charge is Q. The symbol for current is I. The symbol for time is little t.